Jai Sri Ram, Jai Veera Hanuman. Let's start our get ready with me video. I'm applying Pilgrim Korean Rice Water Hydra Glow Moisturizer with 5% hyaluronic acid and 3% niacinamide. Guys, let me tell you a secret. It's a magic for sensitive and dry skin. Just take a small amount, it feels so light. And you know what? The texture is super smooth. Applying this, so refreshing. I love the glow. La 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 la. Mm-hmm. Healthy skin, happy me. Thanks to Pilgrim. I love it. Now the queen's turn. I'm using Fit Me foundation in shade 128. Maybelline Fit Me 128 matches my skin perfectly. It's so natural, so comfortable. It's 10 on 10. Now थोड़ा सा ड्रामा हो जाए. इंडियन गर्ल्स और झुमका ना हो ये हो ही नहीं सकता है ना. Always keep the liner sharp and soft. For us Indian girls, kajal is a must. And of course, lakhme kajal. It's most free and long lasting. From prep to perfect, this is the look. Wow. Nothing beats the charm of a sari. So it's time for Odia, guys.
चलो चुहली हली चाहूं चुबली बुली मनो तुम्हारी चुलबुली हंसे दिल फिसन बली